Found a PVL file related to software installation. These are library files used by the Instalit software installation system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Instalit library files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling PVL files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. PVL files are library files used by Instalit, a software installation and deployment system. They contain installation resources, component definitions, configuration data, and deployment scripts used by Instalit to package and deploy applications across Windows systems in enterprise software distribution environments. PVL files use Installit's proprietary format, storing installation resource entries, component metadata file references, registry, modification data, and deployment instructions. The structure includes header information identifying the Instalit version library content type and validation data following the installation system specification. The initial software setup links the PVL file directly to HPI Instalit by unknown developer. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the PVL file and click Open With. Test HPI Instalit if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. When a PVL file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The PVL file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, using with Instalit. PVL library files are designed for use with the Instalit installation system. Reference these files and Instalit installation projects through the application's library management interface. The system uses PVL contents during installation package creation and deployment to target systems. Next, inspecting file contents. Open PVL files in HXD or a text editor to inspect raw contents and identify embedded resources or readable configuration data. This analysis helps understand library contents, which can be useful when troubleshooting installation packages or migrating to modern deployment systems. Finally, migrating to modern installers. For ongoing software deployment, consider migrating from Instalit to current installation systems, like InstallShield Wix toolset or InnoSetup. These modern tools provide better Windows compatibility security features and integration with contemporary software distribution workflows, including digital signing and update mechanisms. If compatibility checks fail, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.